Hello friends, your sixth question. Find the distance of the image when an object is placed on the principal axis at a distance of 10 centimeters in front of a concave mirror whose radius of curvature is 8 centimeters. So here we have to find the image distance, and what he was given in the data, an object is placed on the principal axis at a distance of 10 centimeters. So what is this 10 centimeters? This 10 centimeter is nothing but object distance. He given object distance 10 centimeters, and what he gave, radius of curvature is 8 centimeters. So from your question we got object distance 10 centimeters and radius of curvature 8 centimeters. So how can you convert radius of curvature into focal length? Here we have a formula. Focal length f equals to r by 2. Half of the radius of curvature is known as your focal length. So radius of curvature is 8 centimeters, then your focal length will be 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeters. As we know, according to sign convention rules, object distance and focal length will be negative for concave mirror. So what we have to find now? We have to find the image distance. From the question we got object distance and radius of curvature. From radius of curvature we obtain focal length. Now you have u and f. Before finding the image distance, we have to draw the rough diagram. Why? Because we have to locate where an object was placed in front of concave mirror and where an image should be obtained. Okay, here you can see this is your concave mirror P, F and C. Radius of curvature 8 it was given. Half of the radius of curvature will be focal length. So your focal length will be 4 centimeters. And object is placed at 10 centimeters. So 10 will be coming after 8. That means an object should be placed after center of curvature. When an object is placed beyond C, an image will be obtained between F and C. That means our answer, your image distance should be obtained between 4 and 8. If you got your V value between 4 and 8, and also it should come negative because it is an inverted image, then your problem will be right itself only. Before doing a problem, we have one small advantage when we know this ray diagram. Okay, so as we know, your mirror formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So your u is nothing but minus 10 centimeters and v is nothing but v we have to find and f is nothing but minus 4 centimeters. Now you substitute here. So 1 by minus 4 equals to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by v. How we got? Where f equals to minus 4 and u is nothing but minus 10. So now what we have to do next step, this 1 by minus 10 you have to shift towards the left side. Once we shift towards left side, it will become as a positive. Okay, here you can see 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by v. This 1 by minus 10 we shifted towards left side, so it becomes as a positive. So now you have to do the LCM for 10 and 4. I already said the simple method to do the LCM, denominator should be multiplied, that is 10 into 4, 4 minus 10. Here you can see. So denominator 10 into 4, numerator 4 minus 10. So your 4 minus 10 is nothing but minus 6. Okay, 4 minus 10 minus 6 by 10 into 4. Okay, so next 10 into 4, 40, that is minus 6 by 40. So v equals to minus 40 by 6. We have to find the v. So here we need to cancel in 6 table, that is 6 6 36. How much left? 4 left, point 40. Again 6 6 36. So your v value is minus 6.6 centimeters. Okay, this is your problem. Your seventh question. A concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged image of an object placed at 10 centimeters in front of it. calculate the radius of curvature of the mirror. So this is somewhat twisted question but very easy. Here you can see concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged image of an object placed at 10 centimeters in front of it. Calculate the radius of curvature. What he gave Nana? Mirror produces 3 times enlarged image. That means he gave the magnification of the image. That means the image is 3 times greater than the object. Okay, so he gave the magnification. So we know magnification m equals to 3. So why we wrote here minus? Due to inverted image. It is an inverted image. So enlarged image is an inverted. So here we wrote the minus. So it is an image, that is the size of an image will be 3 times greater than the object. So this is a hint, 3 times enlarged image. And what is this 10 centimeters? The 10 centimeters is nothing but your object distance. What is asking you to find? Is asking you to find the radius of curvature. That is we have to find the r. How to find an r? If there is a relation between radius of curvature and focal length, that is r equals to 2f. If you find the focal length, just double it or multiply with 2. Once you multiply 2 for the focal length, you will be getting radius of curvature. And we have your magnification formula, m equals to minus v by u. You have the m value and u value. First we will find the v. Once we have the u and v, we can find the focal length by using mirror formula. We know already mirror formula, 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So you have u, we need to find the v. So here m equals to minus 3, v means v only, u means minus 10. Here you can see. So m means I substituted here minus 3 and v means v itself only, and u is nothing but minus 10. Here minus will get cancelled, and the 10 will be multiplied for the 3. So 10 3s are 30. So your v value is 30 centimeters. Now you have u and now you have v. By using mirror formula, we can find the focal length. So 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So what is your u value? Minus 10. What is your v value? Minus 30. That is 1 by f equals to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by minus 30. So here both here minus 10 minus 30 it was there. So just I am taking a minus common. So when I take a minus common, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30 here, because minus into plus minus 1 by 10, minus into 1 by 30 means minus 1 by 30. Now here you have to do the LCM for 10 and 30. How to do the LCM? 10 into 30, 30 plus 10. Okay, here you can see. So 10 into 30, 30 plus 10. So your 30 plus 10 is nothing but 40. Okay, so already here minus it was there, so I kept here minus 40 by 10 into 30. So 10 ones are 10 fours are. Okay, 10 ones are 10 and 10 fours are 40. That is minus 4 by 30. So 1 by f equals to minus 4 by 30. Okay. Now here 1 by f equals to minus 4 by 30, but we want only the f. So f equals to minus 30 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 sevens are 28. 2 remains. Point we keep 20. 4 fives are 20. So you got your f equals to minus 7.5 centimeters. But what he is asking you to find is asking you to find the radius of curvature. We have a formula, r equals to 2f, and f is nothing but 7.5. So 2 into 7.5. Okay, 2 into 7.5 is nothing but 15 centimeters. Okay, this is your 7th problem solution. Your 8th question. An object size 7 centimeters is placed at 27 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of the image. So what he has given, an object size 7 centimeters. Object size was given as 7 centimeters. Object size means height of an object. So your h naught equals to 7.0 centimeters. Is placed at 27 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. That means object distance equals to minus 27 centimeter. Focal length is given as 18 centimeters. And what we have to find? We have to find the image distance and image height. So before solving this problem, first let me draw your rough diagram. Okay. So here you have your concave mirror PFC. Focal length is 18, then center of curvature will be 36 and U is 27. Where should place the 27? Between F and C. Why? Because 27 is greater than 18, less than 36. So object is placed between F and C. Then where we have to get an image? The image should be obtained beyond C. That means your V value should be greater than 36 and it should be minus. Once you got your V value greater than 36 and minus, then your V value will be right. And what about your image height? It is an enlarged image, so it should be greater than 7 and it should be minus because of inverted image. Now let me try this problem. Now we have to go to the mirror formula. So what is your mirror formula? 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So what is your F value? Minus 18 and U value minus 27. Substitute here. So here F means minus 18 and U means minus 27. Now what we have to do? This 1 by minus 27, you have to shift towards the left side. Once we shift towards left side, what will happen? This 1 by minus 27 will become as a plus. Here you can see. Shifting 1 by minus 27 towards left side, it will become as a positive. Here minus 18 like that only will be there. Minus 1 by 18 is equals to 1 by V. Now what we have to do? You have to do the LCM. At the denominator 27 into 8. Numerator 18 minus 27. Remember the LCM. Okay. So 27 into 18. 18 minus 27. So 18 minus 27 is nothing but minus 9. So minus 9 by 27 into 18 is equals to 1 by V. So 9 ones are and 9 threes are 27. That means minus 1 by 3 into 18 equals to 1 by V. How we got 9 ones are? 9 threes are 27. So what is 3 into 18? 18 threes are 54. So minus 1 by 54 equals to 1 by V. Then we want V. So reciprocal. So V equals to minus 54 centimeters. Whether this is right or wrong, just you check here. So the V value beyond C greater than 36. It is greater than 36 and minus. So your V is the right answer. And now we have to find the magnification. What is the formula for magnification? Hi by H naught equals to minus V by U. From here we can write Hi equals to minus V by U into H naught. Okay, cross multiplication. What is the V value? The V value is 54. And what is the U value? U value is 27. Here you can substitute Hi equals to minus. V value is nothing but, here you have to take minus also, minus 54 and U value minus 27. And what about H naught? It's a 7. Okay, so here minus into minus, it is plus. Okay, minus into minus, it is a plus. 27 ones are, 27 twos are. So 27 twos are 54. So then Hi equals to minus 2 into 7. How we got here? Minus into minus plus. Again here the denominator you have minus, or minus get cancelled. Here minus will be left. So 27 ones are, 27 twos are 54. So 2 into 7, 14. So Hi equals to minus 14. So enlarged image. Object height is 7 centimeters. Image height is 14. So you got, this is the right and minus inverted. Okay. So this is the solution for your problem. Ninth question. An object 2 centimeters height is placed at a distance of 16 centimeters from a concave mirror which produces 3 centimeters height inverted image. What is the focal length of the mirror? Also find the position of the image. So just you see an object 2 centimeters height. An object 2 centimeters height is nothing but object height. So he gave an object height 2 centimeters. He is placed at a distance of 16 centimeters from a concave mirror. That means object distance is equals to 16 centimeters. And here you see which produces 3 centimeters height inverted image. So 3 centimeters height means image height. Okay. So here I kept minus for object distance because according to sign convention. Then why I kept minus for image height? Because it is inverted image. Inverted image represented with a minus sign, which produces 3 centimeters height inverted image. So this is 3 centimeters is nothing but image height. So image height is represented with HI. So now what we have to find? We have to find the focal length and also we have to find the position of the image, that is image distance. By using these data, we have to solve this problem. What we have? Object height 2 centimeters, object distance 16 centimeters, image height 3 centimeters. Okay, we have to find F and V. First we will find the image distance. Why? Because if we want to find the focal length, what we required? U and V required. So when you have the U and V, we can find the F, but we have only U. Okay, that is the reason first we have to find the V. Once we find the V, then it's easy to find the focal length. Then how to find the V? We have one formula. What is that formula? Magnification. So magnification M equals to HI by H naught equals to minus V by U. So here image height given 3 centimeters, object height given 2 centimeters and object distance given 16 centimeters. HI, H naught, U was given from the question. So we can find the V very easily. What is the HI? Minus 3. What is H naught? 2. What is V? We have to find. What is U? Minus 16. Here you can see. HI minus 3. H naught 2 centimeters. V means V only. U means minus 16. Here minus minus will get cancelled and this 16 is multiplied to the 3. Okay. So your minus 3 into 16 by 2. How we got 16 is multiplied, cross multiplication. So your minus minus get cancelled. So now here what we can do? 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16. So 2 8s are 16. Okay, 8 3s are 24. So your V value is minus 24 centimeters. Now you got U and V. By using mirror formula, we can find the focal length. So 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So what is your U value? Minus 16. What is your V value? Minus 24. Substitute here. So 1 by F equals to 1 by minus 16 plus 1 by minus 24. Here we can take a minus common. So once you take a minus common, so 1 by 16 plus 1 by 24. Because if you multiply here, minus 1 by 16, here also minus into plus, minus, so minus 1 by 24. Now 16, 24, you have to do the LCM. How to do? 16 into 24, 24 plus 16. Here you see 1 by F equals to 16 into 24, 24 plus 16. Just denominator should be multiplied and numerator should be cross multiplied. Okay, so 24 plus 16. What is the value of 24 plus 16? It's a 40. Okay, so 1 by F equals to minus 24 plus 16, 40. 40 by 16 into 24. Now here you can see 4 tens are 40 and 4 6 are 24. In 4 table we can cancel. 4 tens are 40, 4 6 are 24. Then your 1 by F equals to minus 10 by 16 into 6. How we got 4 tens are 40, 4 6 are 24. minus 10 by 16 into 6. Again we can cancel here. 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 5s are or 2 3s are you can multiply. Okay, so if you cancel 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, then 16 3s are it will become as a 48. Here you can see. So 1 by f equals to minus 5 by 48. But we want to f, so f equals to 48 by 5. Reciprocal. 1 by f is equals to minus 5 by 48, then f equals to minus 48 by 5. Here you can cancel in 5 table. 5 9s are 45, 3 remains, point you keep 30, 5 6 are 30. Then your f equals to minus 9.6. Whether this problem is correct or not, we can check with your ray diagram. Here you can see, here you have your concave mirror PFC. So how much you got focal length? 9.6. F I placed as 9.6. Then your radius of curvature, center of curvature will be double, that is 19.2. So what is your U value? Minus 16. So minus 16 means will come between F and C. That means less than 19 value only now. So object is placed between F and C. Then image should be obtained beyond C. It should be greater than 19.2. Your V value is greater than 19.2. It is correct. And also it is enlarged image. Object height 2 centimeters and image height is 3 centimeters. Inverted image. Okay. By that we can do the problem very easily. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.